Hi everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Recently, while tidying my room, I was really struggling to find any kind of boxes or like a storage bags where I could keep all of my crafting items. I really like when everything is separated in categories, so then it's easy to find it and it just looks better and the room doesn't seem to be so cluttered. And of course, because of the current situation, I just can't go to charity shop or car sale where I probably would go to find boxes or any kind of item like that. I look online, but everything seems to be just too expensive, and I didn't really like the design of the boxes. So I've decided that I make something myself and I only use the items I've got at home. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make these paper storage bags. I've seen them at first somewhere on Instagram. They look really stylish and had that boho vibe to them, which I really like. And I thought they would be just perfect for me to use. They're really budget friendly and practical. Even if they are made out of paper, you paint one of the side of the paper and it makes whole bag much stronger and it doesn't tear so easily anymore. And basically you can store anything in them. Okay, so let's start this DIY project. For this project you need thick craft paper. You can easily get it in post office or craft shop. First, you have to figure out how wide you want your bag to be. I want my bag to be that wide, so I have to double that up for the front and the back. Also, you have to leave a bit of extra paper for the size of the bag. Now you need to paint one side of the paper. I'm using white paint because it will go better with my room design, but you can choose whichever color you like. I'm using just ordinary white paint which I've got left from painting my room. For better result, I'm using the paint roller to apply the paint all over the paper. I let it fully dry for a couple of hours and then apply another layer so it makes the paper even stronger. I want my white side to be outside the bag, so I have to flip this paper over. Bring two sides together and glue them. I'm using Mod Podge, glue and brush. Now you have to decide how wide you want your base of the bag to be. Then double it up and fold. Open that up and push the sides inside to create triangle shapes. Now fold the sides to meet the middle. One of them should slightly cover the other one. Now tape it up. After all taping is done, just open the back up. To make this back look more special, I roll down the edges so then you can also see the natural color of this paper. Be very gentle so you won't rip the paper. I've decided to make another bag, but this time a bit smaller. I cut the size I want and paint it white again. This time I want the white side of the paper be inside the bag. I fold the paper the same way as I've done it with the first one. As you can see, this time my bag is brown with white unwrapped edges. So there we go, our paper storage bags. I will use my bags to keep some wool or other craft items in them and then keep them on the shelf or maybe just leave them on the floor. They also look really good as a planter bags or as a storage for your blankets next to your bed. You can also write on them or make some pattern. I've decided to keep mine plain, and once I get bored with them I can add some extra design just to refresh the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please click the like button and consider subscription. Thank you for now and see you next time.